Hello friends, today's DIY is a greeting card. It's an all-purpose greeting card, an openable flower greeting card. Attached with it is a butterfly. You can close it with the help of the ribbon. You can gift it for a new year, birthday party, anniversary, friendship day, whatever. That means it's an all-purpose greeting card. Welcome to my channel, Home Enriched by Neelu. Let us start today's DIY. For this you require a blue color paper. I'm using a blue color craft paper. Whatever the length you take, I'm taking approximately 36 centimeter of length and 12 centimeter of width, and I'm dividing it into 3 pieces, that is 12 centimeter each. Then after that I'm folding them in this order. Then you have to mark the middle of the 12 centimeter piece like this on both the sides. Then you have to fold them outwards like this so that your card will open. I'm taking the pink flower, so for this I am using a pink color craft paper. Before that you have to take a rough paper to make the flower shape. For this I am taking a white paper, cut it out in the shape of petals. You have to fold them in this order, then cut down the petal in this particular shape. When you open, it will open up into a flower shape. You have to glue this particular white flower onto the pink craft paper like this, and now cut down the margins in the shape of a flower like this. Now you have to adjust the blue colored craft paper so that it will fit below the flower properly, and cut down the flower in the middle so that you can attach both the pieces of the flower on either sides of the greeting card, so that when you open up it will look as if the flower has opened. Stick on both the pieces of the flower. Now I am preparing the center piece of the flower with the help of a green colored craft paper. Cut it down into the shape of a circle, then fold it in the middle and cut it into half. Now stick either the halves on both the sides of on either sides of the flower. I am also sticking a green color sheet inside the greeting card so that it will look much more colorful when you open it, giving the two shades green and blue. Now with the help of a sketch pen you can darken the margins of the flower like this, and darken the middle portion of the flower with the help of a dark green sketch pen. Make dots so that the flower look much more realistic. To further enhance the look, I am adding a butterfly. To close it, you can use a ribbon, satin ribbon. So it will finish your craft. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.